Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Adobe Express monetization, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Adobe Express monetization, start by logging into your Adobe Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Monetization tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. This will take you to the Monetization overview page. Here, you'll find a summary of your earnings. Locate the Withdraw button, which is typically found near your earnings summary. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't done so already. Fill in the required payment details, ensuring they are accurate. Review the terms and conditions regarding withdrawals before proceeding. After completing the payment information, click the Confirm button. You may receive a confirmation message stating that your withdrawal request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Withdrawals can take several business days to process, so be patient. Once your funds are successfully transferred, you will receive a notification. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn your earnings from Adobe Express monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.